Welcome back again, funny chapter Malu and Balu. Who is Malu in this story? A stranger. What does the phrase let the cat out of the bag means? To reveal a secret carelessly or by mistake. Where did the narrator go to meet his friend? The narrator went to meet his friend in the old Hyderabad. What made the narrator unaware of the discomfort of Balraj and his wife? The generous hospitality made the narrator unaware of the discomfort of Balraj and his wife. What promise did Balu make to his wife? Balu promised his wife that it would return back within 5 minutes. Why did the narrator stop at Chandirghat? The narrator stopped at Chandirghat because he wanted to buy a bathing soap. What was stranger response when he realized his mistake? When the stranger realized his mistake, that he exclaimed that with the word, "Oh no!" Why does the narrator call the snake of the Osamian University campus Professor Snake? The narrator calls a snake of Osamian University campus Professor Snake because there are a number of snakes and everybody fear of them, and attacked suddenly it in any fracture homes, faculty home, in staff homes. What happened to Chandirghat? The narrator stopped at Chandirghat to buy a bathing soap. He ran towards the soap and hurriedly came back, having purchased the bathing soap, and sit down the bike of a stranger's. Due to the darkness, by mistake, he carried to the narrator by mistake to his destination. What happened at Law College? On reaching Law College, the narrator found that bike had crossed his destination and speedily going towards Taranka. Then the narrator shouted to stop there and not go further to the bike rider. Why were Balraj and his wife restive? Balraj and his wife were restive because they had made a plan of going to see a movie, but the presence of narrator made them resistive because they are getting delay in performing their hospitality speedily. What makes the story humorous? As soon as the author approaches at home of his friend Balraj, he finds them active and extra busy, but they show all hospitality when the author desires to return his friend Prosper to drop him at university. He promises his wife to return within 5 minutes, but it takes half an hour to cover the one side way. Therefore, Balraj will take 1 hour to return, and what will happen when he explains the difference of delay of 50 minutes? It compels the reader to laugh by thinking at the condition of his friend. After it, the story becomes more funny when the author gets down at Chandirghat to buy a soap. After buying the soap, quickly sit upon the bike and bike goes to destination. The author finds that a bike had crossed his destination. He shouts to stop there and gets down. Then they look at each other and say, "Oh no, there where is Malu? Oh no, but then where is Balu?" Here the story becomes more laughable. Raw characteristics of narrator and Balraj. Both the narrator and Balraj plays an important role, main character in the story. The quality of taking quick decision makes him the cause of humor, which was to force to the author to drive him on the bike. Although he had no time, he had made such a plan to go to the movie together with his family, but he sacrificed his personal pleasure for the friendship. In this way, the author goes to his house and his family members and enjoy their hospitality perfectly. It shows a sense of dedicated for others. In this way, we find equal sense of dedication in both friends. It shows a sense of love, pity, equality in perfect understanding. It clears them ideally person whose complaint can create humor anywhere and make friend easily. Okay, describe the visit of the author in their own words briefly together with his friend. The visit of the author becomes memorable for him together with his friend at homes of old Hyderabad because he and his presence made in trouble to his friend, and he himself becomes the cause of trouble and humor when he is dropped by the stranger in spite of his friend and his destination. What is the special about Osamian University campus? It is said that The campus of Assamian University remains full of snakes. These snakes becomes more troublesome when it becomes dark and the snake attack inside the room of the faculties and the staff members. So it is safe to reach the campus before complete darkness, and the snakes are called snake professors. Why was the author to great hurry in return to his home? There was two reasons of hurry to the author to return his home. First was that his friend would have to report his wife after leaving to the author at his home, and the second main reason was to avoid the encounter of the snake at the campus of university before gloom. Thank you.